Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the drive shaft on a Jaguar. This one is the X-Type, so it will be the same for the whole generation. Even if it's with the gas or diesel motor. In the United States they have only the gas engines, four-wheel drive. So if you need to replace the drive shaft or the support bearing, what you need to do, you need to jack the rear side of the car up one side, as you can see, like that. So you can turn the rear tire, and that way you'll be able to turn the drive shaft. We'll show you how, and then you need to apply the emergency brake. So you need to get now the brake on, the emergency brake, pull it like that, and what you need to do next, you need to go under the vehicle, and this is towards the back side right there with a 6mm Allen wrench. There is 6 bolts that we need to remove. We got them loose already, so we can show you guys. Okay, just like that. But if they're very tight, by having the emergency brake on now, you can get them loose, because otherwise it will be spinning. Okay, and there is 3 sets of 2 bolts with a plate, just like that. Okay, now we release the emergency brake, and now we're going to turn. You can turn the rear tire, or grab the drive shaft like that, or you can turn it yourself, and you can get the other bolts as well, just like that. So altogether 6 bolts there, guys, and okay, 2 more. And this is the support center bearing right here for the drive shaft. It has only 2 bolts, but we'll need to do the same procedure for the front as well. Okay, and on the back now it's done. Okay guys, and now this is towards the front end of the car right there. So we need to remove 6 more bolts, just like that, with that 6mm Allen wrench. Okay, you can see right there, it's 3 sets, and each set has their own plate. And now we need to turn it. Okay, and you can turn it again, just like that, and remove the rest of the bolts. It's not very complicated. It's pretty actually simple on that Jaguar compared to other vehicles that have all the covers underneath it. Okay, we're still turning a little bit more. Okay, like that. Okay, and we're done on the front side now. So we're almost done now, and we'll be able to drop the drive shaft in a little bit. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Okay guys, and this is the support bearing right here now. 2 bolts with a 13mm socket. Okay, and you need to hold it now because it's going to fall. So you need to grab it. Okay, you can see. It's pretty much out. Okay, on the front, and now all we need to do is just pull it towards the front as well, like that. Alright guys, and this is the drive shaft right here now. Okay, as you can see, that's it, that's how long that thing is, and that's where the support bearing is located as well, this one right here. Okay, and now that bearing, we're not going to replace it because ours is good. We wanted to inspect everything, but right here you need to it needs to come out this way towards the back, and you need to take this one apart right here, that part, and you just slide out of the drive shaft on this side, on the rear side of the drive shaft, because as you can see the front one is pretty thick. So that's how you do it, guys. Hopefully the video was helpful to see how you can drop the drive shaft and reach and get to it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.